Alright, so I'm doing the announcements. Do the announcement. Oh, it's coming. Quick, get down.
Andrew.
Oh, we got a blue train. Yay. I want it. I want it. Oh, yay, we got the blue train, Chris. This is the one I wanted. I wanted to go on the blue train. Get on. Film it.
This is Mars Hay.
Oh, it's got toilets as well. This train is for London Liverpool Street. Are we going to Liverpool Street? What happens if we don't stop at Romford?
It does.
What happens if it doesn't?
No, it does.
Yeah, what happens if it does?
This train is for London Liverpool Street. The next stop will be Calverton.
Can't it just be non-stop to Romford?
You enjoyed it?
Okay, here we are at Mars Tay. We should be ready to go. That's what the guy does on YouTube. I can't put this. The announcements, Chris. Please make sure you have your correct ticket for your journey. We're going back now, Chris. Where's ours? This train is from... We're not going to Liverpool Street, are we? London Liverpool Street. I reckon this... Actually, this train's normally used for Clacton, honestly. Did you see the video clip I sent you from that guy that filmed on YouTube? I sent you a video of it. There was this blue one. Can't wait till we get to Chelmsford, Chris. We're not getting off at Chelmsford, are we? The next one's Colchester. And then it was Manningtree and then Ipswich. But if you were going Clacton, it would be Colchester, Willenhome, Fuller Soko and Clacton on Sea. It'd be about 4 stops extra to all regions. Hey, not please. Careful. I'm gonna break the glass. I could have provided a better bag.
No, keep close to you.
They won't want it. I hope this stops at Romford.
Oh, I don't know Webster's.
Huh? No, I would only go Wetherspoons if I was going Chisholm, which means I'll stop at Tower Hill. But I wouldn't go on C2C.
Why?
Because you've got to keep running for the trains. You might as well just go on the Dipshit line from Elm Park and just go straight there. Because you have to get off at Embankment anyway. Then one stop on the Northern line to Waterloo. That's the way I would go. Or you can get the Jubilee line, but you know, I don't like the Jubilee line. It's too noisy.
Why did you do that?
The horn, the whistle bar. I'm not very good with this line. I'm more onto the C2C line. LTS. I should have took more pictures.
We are now approaching Calverton.
This one, Chris? Is this the right stop? No?
lovely cricket here.
I don't like cricket. Please make sure, please take care when stepping off the train onto the platform. Thing is, if you did go Cheston, you don't need to go early. You don't have to go at 8 in the morning, I mean. Was that better? Anyway, let's work that way. Ah, it's Kelden. I do like my day out. Oh no, bound for Ipswich. So that was going to Ipswich,
Do you
apparently.
reckon this is an Ipswich train?
Yeah, and it's sometimes Clacton as well. It was going Ipswich when we arrived. When we were on the diesel train, it said Ipswich. Is this our stop? Okay, here we're now arrived at Kelvedon. Stop.
This is Kelvedon.
I can't get the announcement. We should be ready to go. Alright, that's enough of that. Oh, I like this station. I've seen this one on YouTube. He's done Kelvedon.
Who?
On some guy that does trains. Goes to all the stations. He's done all the
This
ones.
train is for London Liverpool Street.
Is it?
The next stop will be Whittam.
Is that our one?
No.
I wonder if it's going to stop at Haffle Peffle. I hope it does.
Where?
Haffle Peffle.
The train never stop there?
Well, you can actually get this simulator from. You can drive from Colchester to Liverpool Street. I've seen it on YouTube, but I don't have a computer. You know, if I did have a computer and I had those games, I'd probably end up like Daniel. You know, but I so want to do Cheston. Cheston's free for me. My freedom pass is in Zone 6. Yeah, or was it Zone 7? Zone 6 or Zone 7? I'll have a look. We're off again, Chris. Imagine if it doesn't stop at Romford, we're doomed. We'll have to get off at Stratford. Oh well. I don't think it's stopping at Romford. You never checked. You just wanted the train. We'll soon find out. At least we got a better service. You know, that other train was all rusty and old. Didn't like the other one. And they only had one white mark. The newspaper. Oh yeah, it is stopping at Romford. Thank goodness for that. Next stop, Whittam. Please ensure you have the correct ticket for your journey. Is that why? I guess we'll wait until the summer to see if you might do the proper railway museum, the one in York, which is quite far from it. It's only one stop from King's Cross on Virgin East Coast. And that guy's done York, trains at York. It's speeding along, Chris. Please take care from stuff. Can we go Burger King? Probably not. It's about something to get something to eat in Romford. Not the shops, I just want something to eat. McDonald's. Well, it's up to you. It's up to Christopher. Or 99p burger from Burger King with 99p chips. Actually, I might buy that myself. It's the station, isn't it? Burger King in
We are
Romford.
now approaching Whittam.
Are we?
Please change here for services to Braintree.
Braintree? Oh, that one. Really? It's such a place. I like that football. Do you like football? going to get off at Witham or wherever it is. No, 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 no.